Making money on YouTube has become a popular way to earn an income online. It involves creating and uploading videos to the platform, building a following, and monetizing your content through ads, sponsorships, merchandise sales, and other means. In this video, we will cover the basics of how to make money on YouTube, step by step. Step 1. Choose a niche or topic for your channel. Before you can start making money on YouTube, you need to have a clear idea of what type of content you want to create. Some popular niches include beauty, gaming, cooking, fitness, and personal finance. Choose a topic that you are passionate about and that you can create content around consistently. Step 2. Create and optimize your YouTube channel. Once you have chosen your niche, you need to create a YouTube channel. Make sure to choose a name that reflects your brand and that is easy to remember. You will also need to create a profile picture and cover photo for your channel. Next, optimize your channel by creating a strong description and adding relevant keywords. This will help your channel rank higher in search results and attract more viewers. Step 3. Create high-quality content. The most important part of making money on YouTube is creating high-quality content that your audience will enjoy. This can include tutorials, reviews, vlogs, and other types of videos. Make sure your videos are engaging, informative, and well-produced. Step 4. Build your audience. To make money on YouTube, you need to have a large and engaged audience. There are many ways to build your audience, including promoting your videos on social media, collaborating with other creators, and optimizing your videos for search. Step 5. Monetize your content. To monetize your channel, you must have 1,000 subscribers, who have watched 4,000 hours of your content. Once you have built a following, you can start monetizing your content. There are several ways to do this, including ads. YouTube pays creators a percentage of the revenue generated by ads that are displayed on their videos. Sponsorships. You can work with brands to create sponsored content that promotes their products or services. Merchandise. You can sell merchandise related to your brand, such as t-shirts or mugs, to your audience. Super Chat and Super Stickers. These features allow your viewers to make donations to your channel during live streams. Subscription memberships. Viewers can subscribe to a membership to your channel and receive special benefits. Super Thanks. Viewers can directly donate to your channel via Super Thanks. Step 6. Track your metrics and optimize your strategy. To maximize your earnings on YouTube, it is important to track your metrics and optimize your strategy. This includes monitoring your views, engagement, and revenue, as well as experimenting with different types of content and monetization methods. In conclusion, making money on YouTube takes time and effort, but it can be a rewarding way to earn an income online. By choosing a niche, creating high-quality content, building a following, and monetizing your content, you can turn your YouTube channel into a successful business.